How to create a Bitfinex account. Hello everyone. Bitfinex is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a wide range of trading pairs and strong security features. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitfinex account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Bitfinex, visit coinaz.net/Bitfinex. Or click on the Bitfinex account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email, username, create a password, and select your country of residence. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Here's a referral code. If you don't have one, just enter this code to get bonus rewards. Click Sign Up. Please select all the images as instructed on the screen. Then, click Verify. Bitfinex just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Bitfinex just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click here. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. This is the verification code. You can copy it. Then, paste or enter the code here. To secure your account, you need to set up two-factor authentication. Click Next to get started. Click here to display the QR code. This is the setup key and QR code used to link your account with Google Authenticator. You can either scan the QR code or enter the key manually. I'll enter the key manually. Click here to copy the key. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Enter a setup key. First, enter an account name. Next, I'll paste the key I copied from Bitfinex. You can also enter it manually. Click Add. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to Bitfinex and enter this code. Click I've linked my code. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Two-factor authentication has now been successfully set up. Next, let's log in and verify your account. Click Login now. Enter your email or username and password. Then, click Login. Bitfinex will ask you to enter the code generated by Google Authenticator. Open the app, get the code, and enter it here. Check this box to agree to Bitfinex's terms and conditions. Click Submit. To verify your account, you'll need to download the Bitfinex app on your phone. In the search bar, type Bitfinex. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. To open the app, click here. Click Login, then sign into your account. To confirm the connection, just enter the code from Google Authenticator. Click Authenticate. Next, Bitfinex will ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. Re-enter the PIN you just created to confirm. Click Account. Next, click Verification. To unlock all features and full access on Bitfinex, you'll need to upgrade to full verification. Click here. Bitfinex will ask you to provide the information shown on the screen. Then, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. I've completed the guide on creating a Bitfinex account. Wishing you success.